Hi, this is a review of the payday loan company known as Wage Day Advance. Now, this particular company has been in existence since 1994, quietly in the background taking care of people's financial needs. Now, this is one of those particular companies that is probably going to be around for quite some time. They've recently invested more than £1.5 million in a specific branding campaign, which is going to include a second advert and other forms of media as well. Now, you can obviously watch this first little video clip here, which is the first TV ad which was made by the company.
Arrive before payday, don't feel blue. For a same-day advance on your wages, visit wagedayadvance.co.uk.
Okay, so there you can see the particular advert for Wage Day Advance. Now, I want to tell you a little bit more about the company. Now, as we say, the company's been around since 1994. They're one of only a few companies around which are legitimate and provide no credit checks in order to get access to the money that you're looking for. They're actually one of the major UK specialist online lenders and have been one of the major ones since 2004. Okay. Now, when you're applying for a loan, it's quite simple to do. There is no need for any supporting documents whatsoever, and there's no need to speak to anybody, and there's definitely no need for a credit check. You literally just enter your details into a little form, which is a short 3-step process, and then you are given an answer right away. You also have the option to receive the money the same day, or payable via BACS, which normally takes 2 or 3 business days. So it's entirely up to you. Now, if you want to go the route of having the money transferred to you straight away, you just have to pay a small admin fee of £15 and they will get that sorted for you. Why would you choose Wage Day Advance over any other company? Well, the fact is that Wage Day Advance are one of the cheapest ones around out of all of the payday loan companies. They actually charge 25% for every £100 spent, no more. It's a flat rate. Other companies charge as much as 30% and often higher. So these are all things that you need to take into account when you decide which company you want to work with. So all you need to do is complete an online application, sign an agreement, and then you receive your payday loan into your account. And it takes around 15 minutes, probably less, to actually complete the whole thing. All they're going to ask for is your basic details, such as your name, address, how much you're looking for, as well as your employment details, and then any financial details. Wage Day Advance are actually fully CCA certified. That's the Consumer Credit Association. So as a typical example, with it being a 25% fixed loan, okay, if you wanted to borrow £225, the interest would be £56.25 and you would repay £281.25, and that is based over a 28-day deal. Now, it might sound like a lot, and as an APR of 1,737.2%, it sure does sound a lot. The reason it sounds a lot is due to legislation where the rules are actually quite old. Now, this legislation has been set up for banks who basically loan you money over a longer period of time, often 10, 15 years. So they may say your interest is only 8%, and then when you look at this interest, you probably want to jump out of your skin. But the truth is, these loans are all over and done with within a month typically, 40 days at the most. So that APR figure is actually not really entirely relevant. What you need to understand is for every £100 it's 25%. Okay? As I say, they won't do any credit checks. You can repay your loan through a direct debit or through a credit or debit card. Now, if you've got any problems on the second month, you can actually get the loan deferred or rolled over until your next pay due. and as responsible lenders, they've been doing everything they can to help them since then. Now, if you want to find out more information, what I suggest you do is take a closer look at a review page which has been set up to deal with this. Okay, I'm just going to take you there now. Okay. The website is Review Bamboo, and on here we have the Wage Day Advanced Review, which goes into a lot more detail about this particular company. It explains the good points and the bad points, and also lists alternatives. Everything you need to know is listed down on this website. It's quite an extensive and detailed review. So if you want to take a closer look, head on over to the link and get all the information you need. You can always ask any questions that you've got as well. Everything you need is in there, including the name of the owners, the ethics, etc. Looking at that, Wonga is one of the alternatives, but what I will say is that Wonga is more expensive. But you can find out more. Thank you very much for looking.